How to get Etsy coupons from sellers. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get Etsy coupon codes from sellers. So here are some of the effective methods. It could be both automatic and manual. The first thing you can do is add to cart or your favorite item. Now go to etsy.com. Now you can add items to your cart or just click on the item. When you hover your mouse over it, you'll have an option to add this to your favorite. But before you do that, you're going to have to log in to customize your favorites. So just make sure to do that. Then you can usually receive a message like, here's 10% off for you in the checkout today or something like that. And you could also get different codes like thank you 10 or come back 20, depending on the code. Now, this only works if the seller has set up abandoned cart coupons via the Etsy marketing tools. The other thing is to buy something. So in order to get a future coupon, you can buy something and get a coupon for future. So after a successful purchase, many sellers will send you a thank you discount code for future orders. You can look in the order confirmation message right here on top. And once you look up for the messages on your email inbox as well, or you could just get a note inside the package if it's a physical item. Now you can also sign up for the seller's mailing list if offered. Some sellers link their Shopify, Linktree, or email in the shop banner. So if you just click on their shop banner or the product, you can visit their shop. And you might see something like sign up for our newsletter or something like that. And these codes are sent outside of Etsy, often via a MailChimp or the seller's own website. So you can keep an eye out on them to get discounts. You could also message the seller politely. So if you're buying multiple items or planning on a large order, you can send a message asking for some discount. And the seller often responds with a private discount code or a custom listing with reduced price. So these are some of the ways you can get different promos on Etsy. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.